What if I told you that every single cleaning task in your home, from scrubbing the toilet to cleaning windows, from degreasing your stove to sanitizing your kitchen, can be accomplished perfectly using just 2 ingredients costing less than $5 combined? What if the 15 different cleaning products under your sink are completely unnecessary? I challenged myself to clean my entire house using only 2 ingredients for 30 days and documented everything. The results were so shocking that I've permanently thrown away every other cleaning product. Stay with me, because this will simplify your life completely. The overcomplicated cleaning lie. Stand in front of your cleaning cabinet right now. Count the products: bathroom cleaner, kitchen degreaser, glass cleaner, floor cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, tile scrub, furniture polish, stainless steel cleaner, drain cleaner, mold remover. How many do you have? 10? 15? And how much have you spent on all of these? Hundreds of dollars? On products that each claim to be essential for one specific cleaning task. Products that create chemical waste. Products with toxic warnings. Products in plastic bottles that end up in landfills. The 2 ingredients: white vinegar and baking soda. That's it. 2 ingredients. Available everywhere. Costing almost nothing. Together they handle everything. But here's what most people get wrong. They think you mix them together as a combined cleaner. Wrong. The magic is in using them separately, each for specific tasks where their unique chemistry excels, and occasionally in sequence for specific problems. The kitchen, complete coverage. Countertops, spray bottle with white vinegar diluted 1:1 with water. Spray, wipe, done. The acetic acid cuts grease, disinfects, and leaves no residue. I cleaned my kitchen counters with this daily. Results were perfect. Please don't use any acidic cleaners on natural stone surfaces, as it may etch and destroy the finish. The bathroom, complete coverage. Toilet bowl, baking soda sprinkled in bowl, vinegar poured over, wait 15 minutes. Scrub, flush. Better results than commercial toilet cleaner. Toilet exterior, sink, counter, vinegar spray, wipe clean. Disinfects naturally. Soap scum on glass. Undiluted vinegar sprayed on soap scum. Wait 10 minutes. Scrub with damp cloth dipped in baking soda. The living areas. Complete coverage. Windows. Diluted vinegar spray. Microfiber cloth. Crystal clear with no streaks. Dusty furniture surfaces. Damp cloth with diluted vinegar. Wipe surfaces. Removes dust and leaves clean finish. Carpet odors. Baking soda sprinkled generously, left for hours or overnight, vacuumed. Neutralizes odors completely. Laundry and beyond. Washing machine cleaning. Vinegar in place of fabric softener. Baking soda added to drum. Deodorizes and descales. Microwave odors. Bowl of vinegar left inside overnight. Complete odor removal. Garbage bins. Baking soda sprinkled inside. Vinegar spray. Let sit. Wipe clean. Eliminates odors permanently. The 30-day results. Every single cleaning task in my home handled. No exceptions. No compromises. And here's what genuinely shocked me. My home was cleaner than when I was using 15 specialized products. Because vinegar leaves 0 residue that attracts new dirt. Because baking soda provides perfect abrasion without scratching. The permanent switch. After 30 days, I gave away every other cleaning product, permanently. Not because I was forced to, because I had proof they were unnecessary. The simplification was liberating. One shelf with vinegar and baking soda instead of a cabinet overflowing with specialized products. Cleaning became simpler, cheaper, healthier, and more effective, all at the same time. Now you know it. You genuinely can clean your entire home with just 2 ingredients: white vinegar and baking soda, used separately for specific tasks. If this just revealed that your cleaning cabinet full of products is completely unnecessary, smash that like button. Subscribe and ring the notification bell for more radical simplification hacks. Share with anyone spending too much on cleaning products. Comment how many cleaning products you currently own. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, simplify radically, clean better, spend less, and enjoy the freedom of two ingredients replacing everything.